For new devices to add, you can simply click on the section, right click on it, duplicate. So this is the duplicated one. Here you can change the device name, change the specifications, and then the more important thing is click in the middle, go to advanced, CSS ID. So you need to put a unique ID. It can be the device name, full name. For this one, let's say it can be iPad Pro 972016 without any space or dot. Now you need to do another thing is list the device on the list area. Let's say for this one we have 4 columns, if you can see, but I put 2 here. So if you wish to put another one, simply click on it, duplicate, and drag and drop anywhere, here and here. Now change this one, change the name and put the same name like this with a hash, so it will be linked with that section. I hope you understood what I wanted to mean. So this is the process to update for the new devices.